thingy. No, I forgot the thingy at home. Oh, fuck it. We'll do it live. It's okay. It's okay. So, welcome back to episode 2 of Extreme Builds. And today, anyway, I'm gonna weld these fans today. Beginning episode 2. And hope she goes alright. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not that proficient in aluminum welding, so hopefully I'll not fuck up too much. But if I do, it's gonna be a good video as well, I guess. So, without further ado, I shall weld some aluminum. And drink coffee. Coffee. Yeah, fuck the preheating. I don't care. I don't care. I also forgot I have to look up which color electrode I need. I keep forgetting. Tungsten elektrood voor aluminum. Cool. Very cool, very cool. So, got them done. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Hello. I forgot the holder for the camera, so but I have to make do with this. Okay, before I start welding on the cylinder, I'm gonna try a test piece, because like I said, not the best welder in the world. Just so happens I have some scrap I already worked on. Take me away. This building will not fit there. There we go. Whoop. Does this work? There we go. Sort of works. I don't know. I have no fucking clue. Well, it kind of works, so that's the one. Let's go for it. I don't know. Right, so actually, I'm I'm pretty pleased with how this is going. Um, of course, the underside is horrible. Still, probably gonna saw this off because fuck, it's pretty much ruined. But this is going really well, especially with the battery-powered angle grinder, because it's not that powerful. It's pretty weak. It's actually excellent for these kind of small, finicky jobs. Especially when you look at this. This is great. I'm amazed. And I almost have the full corner. I just need a few more on here, and then ba-ba-boo. It will be the same. I can just follow the curve. Yes. This is going somewhere. I'm going places. Awesome. Yeah, see? Goober, goober, goober. I'm gonna cut these off like this. And then try again. Even though my welding skills are horrible, I might just manage to repair this one. Cool. I just don't get aluminum welding. This is so fucking annoying and weird and... What the fuck? Yeah, alright. Tip of the day, don't have like loose laces flying around fast spinning objects. Oh my god. Anyway. Oh my god! It's amazing. It's amazing! Alright, so that's the top side done. Oh, done, not done, but in shape, I guess. And for a first time, and for not being really able to weld aluminum, I'm saying this is pretty good. It's in shape. The little bubble thingies are probably my shitty welding, plus the fact that it's a casting, because when you go around the edge of where the casting broke, you get like these little bubbly lines. It's the same with magnesium. It's just like crap that's inside that's bubbling up and causing contamination. I guess starting to weld aluminum on castings is probably not the best way to learn, but it's the stuff I need to do now, so better learn the hard way and then have it easy later on, I guess. Yeah, but wow. So as you can see, I have to get this in shape. Not too worried about that. It should be easy. Famous last words. But yeah, this is great. I'm happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna get some coffee, take a small break, and then get on with this one, and then this one, and then where is it? Where is it? That one. This is probably gonna be the, not probably, this is gonna be the hardest one because it's in between two fins. It's pretty thick though, but I'll save this one for last, I think, because this is the hardest one, so I get some practice on the other fins over there, and then do this one. Because yeah, I don't want to ruin it. Oh, this is great. It's amazing.